How to save InShot draft video in your gallery. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to save your InShot draft videos to your phone's gallery. InShot is a powerful video editing app, and sometimes you'll want to export your unfinished or draft edits directly to your device. Let's walk through the steps. Locate and launch the InShot app on your phone. Tap on Video to access your projects. You'll see a section labeled Drafts. Browse through the list and tap the draft video you want to save. Once the draft is open, find and tap the Export button at the top right corner. Now select your preferred resolution, 720p, 1080p, or higher if available. Then pick a frame rate, usually 30 fps or 60 fps, depending on the smoothness you want. Choose the format, usually MP4, which works well across devices. Once all settings are selected, tap Export again. The app will now render and save your video. This might take a few moments depending on length and quality. After it finishes exporting, you'll see a confirmation. And that's how you can save your InShot draft video to your gallery. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.